Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Glacier Freeze Iceberg Mandarin Orange. First thing you gotta do is you open up this Gatorade Zero Sugar Glacier Freeze Iceberg mix and you pour it into this mug. Then you add in the water, and last but not least, open up the Mandarin Orange Sparkling Water and pour it into this mug. Then after that, fill in the water a little bit, and here we go. Here is your carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Glacier Freeze Iceberg Mandarin Orange. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.